Hi, I'm Graham Nelson from Northwest Physiotherapy Group. Now, if you've got leg pain or sore leg muscles from walking or running or training or standing on your feet all day, we've got a series of great exercises on the foam roller that Manny's just made. We hope you enjoy.
Hi, I'm Maddie from Northwest Physiotherapy, and what we're going to do today for you is show you a little bit about foam rolling. It's something that we use a lot for our clients to keep them better for long term and to help them manage outside of their physiotherapy sessions. So what foam rolling is good for and what it does to the body is help keep the muscles nice, soft and supple. So we talk about happy muscles and that's what we're hoping to gain from foam rolling. It also, from a chemical level, can help sort of change the trigger points within the muscle and help to switch off through the brain. Okay, so what I'm going to take you through now is a lower body foam roll, so it's addressing most of the muscles through the lower body. This is something that I learned through Core Advantage, so thanks guys for that one, Durham and the team. They're fantastic and they're advocates for foam rolling. So if you want to learn more about it, you can check out their blog, The Magic of Foam Rolling. Alright, so let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is a glute roll. Okay, so we're looking at the left glute here. So what I'm going to get you to do is lean the hand back behind you so that you've just got the pressure on the foam roller on that left glute, and we're just going to rock the body forward and back. So nice long sweeps here. To advance this one, to get a little deeper into the glute, you can take your left hand, so left glute, you'll be taking your left hand back, left leg up onto the knee, and then rolling forward and back again. Okay, so this is a nice glute roll, aiming for about 10 sweeps in each of your muscle groups. The next thing I'm going to take it into is our hamstring. Alright, so legs are long, we're going to take our hands over the roller, and then you're using your body weight to your advantage. So you're dropping and popping here. Alright, now if this is a little challenging, especially if it's your first time on a roller, this is going to be quite painful. So take your top leg off, and therefore we're taking half the body weight off. So you can use this one to leverage yourself and take some of the pressure off those muscles. From here, what we get you to do is to roll into a ITB roll, so the side of the leg. Again, working from the hip down to the knee. So nice long sweeps. Any of those tight spots that you find, so I've got one down in my knee there, you'd stop on and hold, and you can spend a little bit more focused time on that one there. Alright, 3/4 quad, so you're starting to roll into the front of your thigh now. Again, dropping and popping, so you're using your body weight. Nice long sweeps from the hip to the knee. Alright, the last one is your full quad. Alright, so we've still got pressure on that one left leg. Now that may be a little bit too much. So popping both legs down and then rolling forward and back. Alright, so we've worked our way around from the side of the leg, the front of the leg. Now we're going to go into the inside of the thigh. So if you come down onto your stomach and bring your leg up to a 90-degree angle. From here, you're sweeping the weight into the groin and then out towards the knee. Making sure the entire time that that heel is lifted to get all of the pressure through the inside of that leg there. The last roll we have here is your calf. So calf, we have the foot resting onto the roller, opposite leg on top. You can choose to go side to side. It's a little bit less strenuous through the upper body, or you can choose to lift your body and then roll forward and back. Alrighty. So that's our lower body foam roll. Give it a go. It takes about 5 to 7 days to get used to your foam roller. It is going to be painful at the start, but rest assured it does get easier.